Assalamu alaikum. This is a golden top secret tip for only serious candidates. I decided to share with you how I make a summary for eMrcog. The first step is to grab a good cup of coffee and start downloading the file. You can simply do this by Googling RCOG, HSV, or any other guideline you want. Open the link or open the website itself and go for guidance and open green top guidelines. Here, as you can see, we are going to open the herbs in pregnancy because this one was archived, and the new link now is going to lead you to the PASH website. And you can download it from here, and the first plan is available here, and the flowchart for management is here. Then I'm going to take my notes. I open the PDF file and I'm going to highlight the important points while reading. So, of course, the new recommendation at the first or the beginning of any guideline is really important. It gives you an idea about what's going on, what has changed, as for example, the usage of valacyclovir as an alternative to acyclovir for the treatment and or suppression of genital birth. This is totally new. For example, we have a new recommendation for prophylaxis also that we can start using it if we discover that the woman is positive for HIV. And of course, we are going to have a quick review, quick. After reading them, you are going to know what is important, what's not. And let me tell you, if you are new to reading guidelines or if you don't have enough experience with the old guidelines, this is going to take some time. And what's very important is this is not the only review. This is just the first review. Taking notes, highlighting, and the next step would be to take it to the Word file or anything else. You can use your notebook or iPad or whatever you want and applicable for you. As you can see, I took my notes to a Word file and I started organizing it, making some highlights, some changes in colors, and some editing. And more importantly, if you can do any tables or algorithm, it would be just great. Make the important points to you to be apparent. This is going to be very important during revision. Again, you are not going to reach this perfectionally point or professionally point unless you have covered some questions. So after the first read, you are going to answer some questions, have an idea about what would be important and what would be less important. For me, the last step would be to open the website and go to the new question bank, the one that we have updated recently. And I'm going to start a new mock regarding the new guideline. And as you can see here, I already started a new one regarding HSV. I'm going to add questions and I like to make my own questions myself, depending on the format of a previous question or a totally new one. After reading so much and answering a hell lot of questions, I have a little experience doing this and I can make a question look like the exam itself. Of course, this is not done by myself alone. This would be a team effort. And sometime I'm going to share Dr. Rabah, of course, my ideas and ask her what would be best to write down and if she can help me writing the question. Also, Dr. Madinji is going to help me. She really have a good, thoughtful ideas about how to choose the options. I don't like to depend on AI, not at all, because the questions seem soulless and they don't really look like exam questions. No, not at all. So here we are. I'm having my question. I choose the right answer, and here it's going to look like. It's going to look like this for you. If you have read the guideline or our summary, you are going to answer the question very easy. Even if you didn't read as good as I hope, you are going to know the correct answer because if I did submit and finish, I'm going to have the correct answer here. And as you can see, because I didn't answer the question, he said your answer is incorrect and the correct answer is so and so. I hope I have given you a good example related to what should be done while reviewing a new guideline. If you need any help, you know where to find me. See you soon. Bye bye.